doing, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So we've been bagging spuds up this morning. We've done 10 ton this morning. A lorry's going to come and pick them up today, and then we've got another 12 pallets to do for tomorrow. So we're sort of shifting. We're sort of shifting about 30 ton a week, and here's what we've got left in this store. Now then, if you remember, it was full to about here, nearly to the door basically, and we're getting back in the shed now. We're shifting 30 ton a week, just getting them gone really, because this shed isn't insulated like I've said before, and the other shed is. Before it gets too cold, we want these out of here. Saying that, there was quite a sharp frost this morning and all this week. I think the temperatures are going to be sort of 1 degrees, 0 degrees at night, so it's going to be a bit of a frost. Anyway, while we're here out the back of the yard, just taking a look at this wheat. Yeah, a bit thin on the headlands, but then again I think that's where the drill, like I've said before, in the metering wheel plays up a bit, so it puts a bit less seed on. This should be 200 kilograms a hectare, but I think it's about, well, it looks about 140, 150, but Dad sprayed it with some manganese, magnesium and some foliar feed. You can't quite, the camera don't do it justice really. It looks a bit better than what it is. One for the Scania fans. What a beaut. So, Tuesday afternoon now, and we're not bagging some spuds up. We've done them orders. A lorry's going to come and pick up a load of potatoes this afternoon. So, I am going to find some tile drains. Exciting stuff. Oilseed rape update. Dad's been and sprayed it with some foliar feed just to give it some boost, because it's starting to turn yellow, because it's that far forward in its growth stage, and now it's turning winter, so just giving it a bit of boost through the winter. Dad, if you can see him, is just over there. He has just started winter ploughing. This field's going to come potatoes, and yeah, we hope it ploughs all right. It'll weather down in the winter, and then yeah, she'll become the Spuds next year. You don't normally see me driving the JCB, do you? But yeah, we've got some post wooden stakes in the front, sledgehammer, shovel and ladder. So we're going to be trying to find some tile drains ready to jet them later on. And if you go back and watch one of my first ever videos, it's probably not the best of quality, but I'll go and explain all about tile drains, field drains, or whatever you want to call them, and the importance of jetting them out basically. Winter wheat update, that's after peas. I'll get out and show you a bit more in a minute, but that wasn't ploughed, that was straight in with the solitaire after 2 cultivations after peas. So well, let's just take a look at that. She's looking real good. She's probably getting a bit too ahead of herself now for this time of year, but for straight in pea stubble after 2 cultivations, then in with the solitaire, 200 kilograms a hectare. Lovely old job, really. You know, we always got a bit of black grass on this headland here. There's the odd little bit coming up, but what can you do? We've sprayed Roundup and put a pre-em on as well, but it's what it is. Right, so I'll just show you what I've done. Beautiful day, by the way, for November. So these are the old clay tile drains there in this field, because we haven't had the plastic tile drains put in this field, because they're a lot of money. The rest of the fields have got plastic tile drains in, but I think when Dad bought the land, they already had clay tile drains in, so there's been no need. But they're a job when it comes out, when you come to jet them, because they're in them like a metre length, and with this land they always move up and down. So yeah, but I just put this wooden stake in, so when they clear the dike out, which they are going to do in a week's or so's time, you don't just slub up where this is and block the end drain up. So that's the plan, that's all there is to it. Right, that's that field done, all marked out. Just going to move on to another field, but let's go and have a look at Dad doing some ploughing. Look at his ins and outs, look. He thinks he's match ploughing. Bless him. Right, so there's a bit of ploughing action sorted for you. That's actually the tractor we're thinking about trading in, but he's having a whale of time on it now, so who knows. I don't know what we're going to do. I'm only wearing these, by the way, if you haven't noticed their case, just because they were better than new Holland. Nothing to do with getting a case tractor or anything like that. As much as I'd like to try one again. But anyway, yeah, keeping our options open. We're still scouring the internet for the right tractor to fit us, the right tractor for the job. I much appreciate your comments. I've read up through all of them. A lot of people saying have a Massey, try a Massey. People who put Fendt, yeah, they're a bit too expensive, too out of our budget range, and not sort of a Fendt farming tractor. But we've got a few more to look at. Whether that will go up Saturday, we'll see. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you later. Ta.